On the previous lesson, we have seen what an SDK is. It's a set of tools that come with every version of Android. So we need to download some SDK now. At the top, you have the SDK Manager. Click on it. We have to download the latest SDK all the time. So every time Android releases a new version, you have to do this. But we also have to do this now because we don't have any SDK to develop for. So, starting for the tools, the Android SDK Manager itself is inside the tools, and the build tools are used by Android Studio to build our application. So it's important that you have these three things updated. I have them updated at the moment, so I'm just going to close it from now. I'm also going to close it Android L because it's still on preview. And I'm going to get a couple of Android SDK to play with. So for example, I'm going to get the Android 4.4. I'm going to download everything, even with the sample. And I'm going to get Android 3.0 and Android 2.3. If you have one mobile in a specific version, I will recommend you to get that SDK so you can test the application that we are going to be doing in the course in your mobile. So that's all for now, and at the end, on extras, if you have a Google phone, like a Nexus 4, you will need to download the Google USB driver. Another thing that we also need is the Android support repository and the Android support library. This allows us to have features from latest SDKs in previous SDK. But we are not going to go into that for now. So that is all we need to start with. So install the package. You have to select one of these, accept the license, and then install the rest.